Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I want to do an unboxing of this painting that I actually purchased from Hobby Lobby. If y'all have seen my weapon chat a couple days ago, I talked about how I purchased kind of a DiamondArt painting from Hobby Lobby because I've never done this brand before, so I'm kind of curious about it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I have been seeing some other diamond painters that done paintings from this company. It's called DiamondArt, and I believe it's Hobby Lobby's brand, because I know Michael's has their own, and I'm not too sure about Joann's, but I saw that Hobby Lobby, this is the brand that I believe it's theirs. So they have different levels. They have a beginner, an intermediate, and I'm not too sure of the terms expert or veteran. I'm not too sure. There is one more term. Apologies, I didn't get a chance to look that up. This one's considered intermediate. And when I went to Hobby Lobby, as I probably said in the story below, story I told during my whipping chat, I was looking for a Christmas painting because I saw that they were having a sale, and unfortunately they didn't have it in the store I went to, but I really wanted to pick up one of their paintings, so I picked up this one. And just some information about this painting. As I can tell, the box is really sturdy. I've never done, as I've said before, I've never done this brand, so we're all going to be surprised together. So I can tell that the box is real sturdy. It was damaged when I picked it up from the aisle that they had. It was the only painting they had for this size and with this image, so I really wanted to try it. But the box isn't, well, other than this little part, but it wasn't really that damaged. It's a little kind of bent, and it has the little hanging part, which is fine. It said $15.99, but at purchase I believe they sold it to me at $13.99. I'm not too sure if it was discounted, but the price wasn't the same as it said here. I'm not gonna question it. I saw on the side also it has full images of the whole area. And in the back, it includes pretty much what a lot of other diamond painting companies include: information about the kit and other items that they sell and all of that. Oh, same thing, information about how diamond painting works. Oh, that's kind of neat. At the bottom is just information of where it's manufactured and all of that. And this painting, the name of this painting is called... Apologies, I'm trying to locate the name. Oh, that's interesting. They put it on the top. Usually I've seen it at the bottom. This one is called Seascape or Bord de Mer. Not too sure if I pronounced that right. And it is a 12 by 12 inch or 30.5 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters. I actually figured it might have been a 30 by 30 because I saw the little square shape. As I said, I just saw that it was on top, so I wasn't sure about it. And it has 35 diamonds. So let's open it and see what it is inside. Sorry for that. I usually take it out before, but since this is a small painting, so I didn't stop the video. Oh, that's pretty much it. I assumed that items might be separate, but as you can tell, everything's within the little plastic wrapper. That is really neat. Huh. That's real cool. I kind of like that. So let me remove the plastic on it. Apologies for all the crinkle sound. And I can actually see the painting actually has little scalloped edges. They're so cute. They kind of look like little flower petals. Put this aside real quick. Ooh, it is a really, it feels kind of like nylon. You can hear, and it has little scalloped edges. It's not rough, but it is a sturdy canvas. Ooh, I really like that. So let me just unfurl everything, and they do the same thing. All the diamonds and everything are within the painting, and this is the lovely little painting. Oh my goodness, it is so small. I knew as when I saw the dimensions real quick that it was going to be a 30 by 30, but oh my goodness, this is such a nice canvas, and I'm just letting it go. It's settling on its own. As you can see, any of the curling that you saw when I unfurled is kind of just disappearing, and it feels really smooth. Oh, this is really nice. This is really good quality. I can actually tell. As I said, it's a little sturdy. Oh, and see how it laid back down? Let's see if I can catch that on camera again. You're going to see me try to crease it, and when I let it go, boop, settles back down. Oh, this is so neato. Oh, I really like this. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by that. This is really impressive. As I said, I've never done this brand, so it's interesting to me. So it's just a little, there's also a piece of paper in there. That's just information in case, instructions in case you need to diamond painting. And it's both in English and I believe French, I believe. And yeah, I believe it's French. I was going to say Spanish, but it's not. I can read Spanish. It's not. It's French. So, oh, I really, really love this. Oh, this is so cool. Sorry, all of this is impressive to me, and I really like it. So, these are the diamonds. So, I was really interested in this painting. I might have mentioned before that I've seen another diamond painter that she was interested in purchasing. No, she did purchase some of these paintings. She made the comparison of the diamonds to diamond dots. And I love diamond dots paintings. And I can actually see with the diamonds, they are so, so shiny. As you can see, I'm not too sure. I believe they might be resin. Because usually with resin, I see a lot of the shine. Yeah, I kind of see the little kind of dip there. I believe they might be resin. And this is the little tool kit. The first thing I saw was the big, big bunch of resealable bags, which I think is so neat. So let me just get everything out real quick. Whoop. And there goes the pen. Apologies for that. It kind of rolled away from me. Give me a moment. Let me get it from the floor. And there we go. Sorry about that. It tried to get away. Ooh, stop rolling around. So, as you can see, the pen is just your standard pen, and it has a squishy little pencil holder. I love that it's already there, because I am really bad at inserting it. I love that it's already there. It has a 3 little multi-placer, which you can always put at the end. And there we go. Sorry about that. I don't know what is going on today. Everything keeps trying to run away. As you can see, it's a 3. And they're lovely little wax. Oh, it even states here to peel off. So it just, oh, it has 2 little pads. That is so neat. It has a little message on it. The wax does have a little plastic on it. All waxes you usually see in these little containers, or pretty much all wax that you receive, have a little plastic seal in it, as you can tell. And you would have to remove it before you press the pen in. I love that they put a little message here to peel it off. That is really, really kind. I really like that. And that is really important too. Especially if you're a new painter. You're fighting with it. Now you know why you're fighting with it. And these are the resealable bags. And oh my goodness, that is a lot. I don't kit up in resealable bags. I have little storage units for it. But I love that they include so many. Just in case you decide to kit up in this style. You can see they're really nice, sturdy little bags. Ooh, I really like these. I think I'll use these for my storing all of my extra diamonds since I save them. It's really appreciative that they put so many. And it's the little tray. I love these little trays. I know they're a little low and they're a little thin, but for me, they work perfectly because I do hold the tray while I paint. And even though I do the shaking action to even them out, I've never had any really spill out. I love these trays. So let me put all this aside real quick. And let's look at the diamonds. I'm not too sure if it includes special diamonds, meaning ABs or fairy. Well, I call them fairy dust, but that's DiamondArt Club calls them that, so that's I'm used to calling them that way. The diamonds that have mica powder on it. In it. Yeah, I'll say that. So these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, the shine on them are so pretty. As you can tell, for example, this color, I believe they are resin. Oh, that is so neat. Oh, and they do. Oh, I love that. I appreciate that. I caught it because I've done it before. There are little tears in the bag. Do you see that little? Maybe you might not. Let me see if I can put my hand. So you can probably see here. I'm trying to get it away from the glare. It's around here. All the little bags have tear in it to keep it from static. So I've done that trick for some of my other paintings. I'm sorry, Yeah, some other paintings I've kitted up, it really does work. As you can see, the bags don't have static. Oh, that is so smart. I appreciate that. I really do. Oh, all of these diamonds are real pretty. Let me go through the colors real quick, since I already unfurled them. And I don't see any special diamonds, but that's all right. So we have 154, 211, 301, 307. Really love that really bright yellow. 341, 402, 445, 554, 580, 741, 760, 761. Ooh, I have to be careful with these two. They're really close. 780, 782, 791, 792. Ooh, another pair as well. This one's a little lighter, but I'll have to be careful with these two. 793, scratch that. Well, no, this one's a big, I can tell a big difference, but these two are really close. I have to be careful with that. 818, 819. My goodness, they're all good. I have to be so careful with this painting. And 823. Oh, they're two strips. I thought it was just one. And, ooh, flip that one around. Sorry about that. The strip's a little longer than I thought. Oh, here we go. 902, 939, 945, 972. Love that dark marigold. 973, 3328, 3721, 3747, 3756, 3770, 3776. Goodness, that is a lot of 37s. 3834, 3835. These I can kind of see a clear difference between them. 3836. Okay, between these two, yeah, I can kind of mess them up a bit. And 3865. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. They're so shiny. I really love these diamonds. As you can see here on this blue. Yeah, I believe they're resin. When I move it, I can see the shine on it. Ooh, that is so beautiful. So this is the painting. As I said, it's just a beautiful little beachscape. And since I wasn't touching it and leaving it alone, it actually started settling on its own. Except for this top part. It still wants to kind of stay curled. Let me see if I can fix that a bit. Let it go. Well, look at that. It settled it. Huh. This is real neat. I'm actually going to do a kit up video because I'm going to work on this one next. On the side, since I'm doing so many paintings, but this is so small. Its dimension says it's 12 inches, and it says it's 30.48 centimeters. Let's actually measure it. I'm out of curiosity. I usually don't, but this is my curiosity. So for the canvas itself, it is 15-ish inches across. Yeah, 15. Huh, that's interesting. Fabric size says it's 15 by 15. Sorry, 15.15 by 15.15, which is correct. And for the actual drip build, it says it's 12 inches across. 12 inches by 12 inches, which is correct. Oh, yes, it is. So let's switch that to centimeters. So it says it's 30.48 centimeters. So, yeah, that is correct. For the drill size, it is 30. For the canvas itself, for the canvas itself, it says it is 38.48. And yeah, that is correct. Huh, that is interesting. I've measured some paintings in the past. Sometimes they're completely off. But I love that this is straight on point what it states. I'm a big fan of that. Yeah, I'm gonna kit up. I'll do a kit up video for this painting because I really want to see how it comes out. It looks small, so I know it'll probably wouldn't take me as long, but there is a lot of confetti in the water, and there's a lot of confetti in this wonderful little rock or cliff. Sorry, cliff. At the bottom there is a lot of color blocking, but the confetti is majority up here, and I really want to see what the sky looks like. I'll make sure to do a kit up video and show it to y'all. And yeah, that's basically it. I love that it's a real simple, real clean painting, and I didn't have anything kind of extra, and I kind of like that. It's real neat. Like, I didn't have any you know, side things, and I don't have to worry about losing anything, because the little kit as well is perfect too. And it is, especially if you're a new diamond painter, this is such a good kit to start with. And it is a round, so apologies. When I was looking around, I didn't see any that were square, but I do prefer rounds a little more, because those are the ones I'm more faster with. But as a new painter, I believe this would be a really good brand to start with. And a majority of them, I love that they give you the options of whether beginner, intermediate, and so forth. Even though this is intermediate, I think a beginner can do this one as well. It's pretty much kind of self-explanatory, because the legend kind of gives you all the information on it. The only thing I do know for beginners, the legends are a little bit smaller, and they might not include a whole bunch of the symbols, because I can see the legend here is all in alphabetical order. Until you hit number 27 and on, they're all symbols. I believe that might be the difference. But I can see a beginner diamond painter working with this and not having any issue. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I was just real excited to open this, and I really am going to start it up. And I'll give you a progress on this painting while I'm working on it. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel be put out there, and it gives me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.